Sonos 5, wireless hi-fi speaker, comprehensive review. Today we're examining the Sonos 5, the flagship wireless speaker from Sonos that promises audiophile-grade sound in a smart, connected package. Designed by renowned producer Giles Martin, the 5 aims to deliver room-filling, high-fidelity audio with the convenience of wireless streaming. But does it live up to these lofty promises? We'll break down every aspect of this premium speaker to help you determine if it's worth the investment. Design and build quality. The Sonos 5 maintains the brand's signature minimalist aesthetic with a sleek, rectangular design that looks equally at home in modern and traditional spaces. Measuring 8.03 by 14.33 by 6.06 inches and weighing 14 pounds, it has a substantial, premium feel that suggests quality construction. The speaker is available in black or white, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. Physical controls are limited to touch-sensitive playback buttons on top, keeping the design clean, while encouraging use of the Sonos app for full control. The sturdy build quality suggests this speaker will last for years, though some users might prefer more tactile controls. Sound performance. Where the Sonos 5 truly shines is in its audio performance. The speaker features 3 custom-designed woofers for deep, distortion-free bass, 3 tweeters, including 2 side-firing for expansive stereo imaging, sealed acoustic architecture that eliminates reverb and echo. In testing, the 5 delivers exceptionally clear highs, detailed mids, and powerful, well-controlled bass that fills medium to large rooms effortlessly. The side-firing tweeters create an impressively wide soundstage that makes music feel more immersive than typical single-unit speakers. Compared to competitors like the Bose smart speaker of a 500, the Sonos 5 offers more balanced sound with superior bass response. The sealed cabinet design prevents the muddy bass that plagues many ported speakers, while still delivering satisfying low-end impact. For current pricing and availability on the Sonos 5, check the link in the description below. Smart features and connectivity. The Sonos 5 offers multiple connectivity options. Wi-Fi streaming for high-quality audio from all major services. Apple AirPlay 2 support. 3.5mm line-in for turntables or other audio sources. Sonos app control with multi-room capabilities. Notably missing is Bluetooth support, which means you'll always need Wi-Fi or the line-in connection. This may disappoint some users, though Wi-Fi generally provides better audio quality anyway. The speaker works seamlessly with the Sonos ecosystem, allowing you to pair 2 5s for true stereo separation or integrate with other Sonos products for whole home audio. The ability to use a single 5 horizontally for stereo sound or vertically for mono is particularly innovative. Setup and app experience. Here's where we encounter some significant drawbacks mentioned in user reviews. While setup is theoretically simple, plug in power, open Sonos app, then follow on-screen instructions. Many users report frustrating connectivity issues, especially when adding multiple speakers. The negative review highlights a particularly bad experience where additional 5s wouldn't connect despite extensive troubleshooting. The Sonos app, while feature-rich, can be overwhelming for new users. It combines music service integration, EQ adjustments, speaker grouping controls, and system settings. Mitigating these issues, ensure your Wi-Fi network is strong and stable before setup. Consider starting with 1 speaker before expanding your system. Sonos has been gradually improving app usability with updates. To see how real owners have solved common setup issues, click the link in the description for user forums and troubleshooting tips. Multi-room and expandability. One of Sonos' greatest strengths is its multi-room capabilities. The 5 can be used as a standalone high-end speaker, paired with another 5 for true stereo, grouped with any Sonos speakers for whole home audio. The ability to start with 1 5 and later expand your system is a major advantage over traditional hi-fi systems. However, as noted in reviews, the expansion process isn't always smooth. Competitor comparison. How does the Five compare to similar premium speakers? Versus KEF LSX2. Sonos has better multi-room integration. KEF offers more connection options, HDMI, USB. Sonos app is more polished despite complexity. Versus Bowers and Wilkins formation Wedge. Sonos has more placement flexibility. B&W offers aptX HD Bluetooth. Sonos provides better value. Versus Bose smart speaker to 500. Sonos has superior sound quality. Bose offers Google Assistant support. Sonos provides more expansion options. The Five's combination of sound quality and smart features makes it stand out, though the setup challenges are a legitimate concern. Who should buy the Sonos Five? Ideal for audiophiles wanting premium sound in a wireless package, those invested in the Sonos ecosystem, listeners who prioritize Wi-Fi streaming quality, users who may expand to multi-room audio. Not ideal for those needing simple plug-and-play setup, users who primarily use Bluetooth, buyers wanting voice assistant flexibility. Final verdict. The Sonos Five delivers exceptional sound quality that rivals many traditional hi-fi systems, wrapped in a convenient wireless package. Its 3-woofer, 3-tweeter design creates immersive, room-filling audio that surpasses most smart speakers. However, potential buyers should be aware of the setup challenges and app complexity that some users encounter. These issues seem to affect a minority of buyers, but when they occur, they can be frustrating. For those willing to navigate these potential hurdles, the Sonos Five offers one of the best wireless audio experiences available today. Its sound quality and expandability make it a compelling choice for serious listeners who want both convenience and performance. For the latest deals on the Sonos Five and to check current bundle offers, click the link in the description below.